Hi, John Giffen here, State Roofing Company out of Houston, Texas. I want to talk to you about old roofs and selling your house. Insurance companies have been taking a beating, but you're going to take a beating too if you've got an old roof and you're selling your house. First of all, it's not your problem, but your buyer will not be able to purchase coverage for that house when they're looking at purchasing your home. So either you need to start putting some money away or either pray for a good hailstorm or wind damage so that your insurance company will pay for it. But I want to make you aware that some insurance companies are changing their policies up when the roof reaches 10 years of age. Some of them are doing it when the roof reaches 15 years of age. Be careful with this. They can change you to an ACV coverage for your roof, or they can change you to a roof schedule. Don't go to the roof schedule. Don't let that happen. But if you run into a scenario and you've got any questions about an old roof and coverage on it from the insurance company, give me a holler here at State Roofing Company in Houston, Texas. Y'all have a great day.